So boobydoo, myself and the team have been here delivering sports bra education workshops for the Girls Rugby Club and a few from the Girls Cricket 11 as well to help educate them more about sports bras. So for the main point, we want to give them the tools to help make an informed choice about how their sports bra should fit, but also why it's important to wear one, especially starting out at that young age, giving them that information early on to help them through their whole career of sport, to be wearing a sports bra that really benefits them, makes them comfortable, feel confident to train, and ultimately protects them and their breasts during sport and as they grow and change.
I didn't know much about sports bra education, things like that before, but I found it really interesting.
Something that's applicable to all sports, and it's relevant for every single girl today, so I think why shouldn't we discuss it? It's something that we should be addressed more often.
They've been really engaged, they've been asking us a lot of questions, and I think we've hopefully offered them the opportunity to ask questions, giving them that platform and safe space to be able to ask more about sports bras and how they should fit, what kind of ones they should wear. So it's been really nice. I've had a lot of engagement from them, also from the parents as well that have been here during the day, asking for advice on making that choice for their daughters.
It's a good way of getting the girls to talk about things a little bit more, because like I say, I think they feel a little bit anxious or embarrassed possibly about these kinds of things.
Knocks down barriers so you can then discuss things, and and then it just helps the relationship be more open.
Particularly for me as a dad, it's nice that she's got other people to talk to. I'm trying to learn a little bit as well, so as she can speak to me.
I've had a lot of dads come up today and sort of say, oh, yeah, this is really good, just for them to be able to have this conversation with someone, and then I can use that as my springboard to then talk to them more about it and get that conversation started where they maybe wouldn't have been sure how to up until then.
I think it's fabulous. Having boobydoo down at the rugby club enables all the girls to learn what kind of stuff they need to do as they grow up, and make it not a taboo subject. So I thought it was brilliant to have them down and do some measuring and educate the girls about stuff that's really important to them to further their career.
The main takeaways from the session, I think, are them understanding what a good fitting bra should look like, that a properly fitting sports bra is just as important as wearing one in the first place. So educating on good fit and hoping they take something away from that. Also that they start wearing one and taking pride in wearing one, that it is their most essential piece of kit in their kit bag, being a woman taking part in sport.
It's been really good learning lots of new things, and it's good seeing so many girls playing rugby or cricket coming together. I think the boobydoo bit was really interesting because I learnt a lot of things that I probably need to know at my age especially.
Interesting that 80% of people don't actually have the right bra.
I think our intentions for today were achieved. We've interacted with a lot of the girls from the club, got them interested, got them making TikToks about the topic, and just seeing them enjoy the topic and not feel like they were embarrassed about it. That's our intention, to kind of make it a open, welcoming platform for them to be able to talk about their breast health, about sports bras, about boobs in general. So that's the intention for boobydoo.